right now I'm going to be doing a POV drive on the VXR. It was washed today. I got 4 new tyres. I went for a different size this time. I went for 215 40 18s. Before I had 225 35 18s. And these is a bit of a thicker profile, more of a thicker profile. The fitment is perfect. Yeah man, the car's looking good. So right now I'm going to set you lot up in the car now for the POV drive, innit? Bow. Go for a nice little POV drive. Okay, so guys, today I posted the car. If you got me on Instagram, you see that I posted the car up and say who wants to buy it. I got it clean today. Today I went to a few car dealerships to see some cars I was interested in, and it ended up the cars actually wasn't there. It's a bit irritating. It is quite irritating when you go to see a car and it's in the body shop getting work done, or it's not there. Because I wait to see what's in Bristol first, and then I might go out of Bristol. But I definitely am going to go out of Bristol to get something. And the car's fully broken in now anyways. I've fully done 1,000 miles on it now, so I could drive it spiritedly. And also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do that oil change probably like tomorrow or something. But yeah. What it is, man, it's not bad, but it's a bit, to me now, it is a bit boring to me now. I want something a bit different now. And I'm actually going the speed limit, 40 miles an hour. It's landed on 40, so yeah. I'm not a dangerous driver, and I ain't gonna be doing no dangerous stuff. Just a nice little spirited drive. I really hope that truck's not going where I want to go. It'll be so irritating. Must have heard that pop there. You know when a tunnel comes, you have to do it. Yo, and also, the reason why I got bigger profile tyres is because I couldn't get over bumps in it. And flipping out that spray paint can in the back's irritating. I swear it's always BMWs that want to race courses. Man ain't trying to race, bro. I'm just trying to chill out, man. Some car behind me trying to come up like man's trying to race. That's the only thing when you have a car like this, everyone wants to race all the time. Literally. But yeah, just a little simple POV. So you guys can hear what the car sounds like. too much talking in this one anyways. If I feel like saying something, I'll say something, but this one's just going to be a straight POV, strictly driving. And yeah, the last POV when I came down here, the car scraped on the bump. So let's see, with the bigger profile tires, is it going to do the same? Oh, it does the same. It does the same. Pops them sound good though, I'm not going to lie. The only thing is getting over these bumps, man. Again, too much speed bump, man. Too much speed bump around here. Hate these speed bumps, bro. There's this video. Fam, I was gone! Obviously to the speed limit. I was gone to the speed limit. But yeah, it always happens, man. These little Beamer drivers try to race, man, and I'm just gone. Oh man, I hope you don't just see what I just doing just then. Nice little drive, give the car a little drive, innit? You know what, I love cornering in a front wheel drive car, you know? It's actually fun. Oh man. So this is my first drive, basically putting my foot down a bit since I've got the car forged. I've broken the engine in now. And yeah, I thought I'd decide I'd do my first video of me putting my foot down. The car does feel faster than before, it does. But it's not fast enough for me, man. I was going to go all this, I was going to do all this stage 4 build stuff, but like for the turbo and all that, yeah, and for the turbo, yeah, man's gonna have to get uprated clutch, and do you know what I mean? I got a 2.5-inch exhaust right now. I'm gonna have to get a 3-inch. Gonna have to get a 3-inch exhaust. 8mm mouth, 2-bar map sensor as well. Fuel pump, obviously the remap as well, and the turbo. I was thinking okay, I forged the car now, but I'm gonna have to spend that. If I spent all that money, if I got like a hint in Seat Leon Cupra 280 or 290 or Vauxhall S3 or one of them cars, yeah, that money that I'm going to be spending on the VXR to get 300 brake, if I add that up on what I got to put into one of those to get the horsepower I want, I could have near enough 500 for something, 500 horsepower. That's what I'm thinking. So I've been car shopping anyways. I'm going to put the VXR up on the market, even though I love the way this thing looks. I love the way it looks. It's going to be sad to see it go, not gonna lie. It is going to be sad to see it go. And now we're in traffic.
My love. I see nobody but you, that's why these bitches won't get no love. What up? She did it again. She did it with a bad rhythm again. Full of style, I'm a fling it at them. I sing it again. Yeah, sell it up, promise I'll live it again. Woman, them are going on, split it again. Get me this grip off, I'ma flip it again. Style and different. Cinnamon, fire diamonds, red freeze in my hand. You are what style I'm
I don't know if you lot heard that, but it sounds like something. Alright, it's go time again. I heard that noise, I checked. I don't know what it is. This is the thing with these cars, man. This is why I want to get rid of it. New noises. I swear I saw the Amazon warehouse somewhere. Put these in there, man. Put that bees in there, man. Sting like a bees in there, man. Easy in there, man. Did you build it, you know it? Like this in ages. I forgot how fun this little car is. My God. Because, yeah, see, when I pressed the brake, then I heard duck, knock. What? It's like the more you drive it hard, yeah, the faster it goes. It's like, it sounds, I don't know if it's got, because it's got oversized pistons and stuff like that. I was going to pull over then. You know what, I'm double thinking it now. Oh, I might take it stage 4. I need to go in Andy's car again to see what it feels like. Let me check the front again if it's the bumper that's came off. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. And you know what I'll do? When I get to 1,000 subscribers, that's when I'm going to change my car. That's what I'm gonna do. So subscribe if you want to see me with a new car. Subscribe if you want me to get a new car. And leveling up in it, leveling up. And yeah, bless up, man. Bow.
To my family, the day ones, even the dark and the grey ones. Yeah, I'm on the beat like so. She's there sitting on the sofa.